rollerblades is an iconic representation of the 1990s, but where have they gone now? Despite a steep decline in popularity in the early 2000s, one man has continued to take rollerblading to the extreme. Meet Jean-Yves Blundell, also known as Rolla Man. The Rollerman suit is Jean-Yves' invention, which he created as part of his graduation project from an industrial design school in Paris back in 1994. His goal was to create something that didn't exist yet, something that would bridge the gaps in gliding postures in sports. Combining his passion for skating with this goal, he designed a suit of full-body armor equipped with 32 wheels, placed on the hands, feet, knees, torso, arms, and back. Although Jean-Yves is known as the Roller Man and his suit is often referred to as a roller suit or rollerblade suit, the activity of using the suit itself is called buddy roller, a term coined by Jean-Yves. He is known as the most skilled and daring skater in the world today, often skating at high speeds on mountain roads all over the world, and setting a speed record of more than 126 kilometers or 78 miles per hour, which no one has matched. It's worth noting that the Rollerman suit doesn't have any brakes, and the wearer must rely on proper positioning to decelerate, just like with rollerblades. Despite the inherent danger of rolling down mountain roads at high speeds, Jean-Yves has never hit a car. He and his roller suits have been featured in TV shows, sports documentaries, and commercials for many years. Jackie Chan even used a similar suit in one of his movies called The Chinese Zodiac. Jean-Yves still makes these suits today, with over 30 different designs created since 1994. It takes about 2 months to mold a complete suit, and it costs around 4,500 euros or $5,000. While some people may find rollerblading scary, rolling down a mountain road on a roller suit is a whole other level of danger. But for Jean-Yves Blundell, it's just another adventure in his Rollerman suit.